In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro AI. Miro is a powerful online collaborative whiteboard tool, and with the integration of AI, it becomes an even more versatile platform for teams. Let's get started with this exciting and easy to follow guide. First, you'll want to open your Miro board. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged in and navigate to your workspace. When you're on the main Miro interface, you'll notice a host of tools along the left-hand side of the screen. These tools enable you to perform various functions and hold the key to accessing Miro's built-in AI features. Now, keep your eyes on that left side toolbar because here's where you'll find the aptly named Sidekick. The Sidekick acts as your intelligent assistant within Miro. It's designed to enhance your creative and collaborative process by offering AI-driven suggestions and capabilities. Go ahead and click on the Sidekick icon to get started. Upon clicking the Sidekick icon, you'll be prompted to enter text. This is the part where you communicate with the AI about what you'd like to achieve. Type in your request clearly and concisely. This could be anything from asking the AI to generate ideas, organize information, or help interpret data. Your input determines how the AI assists you in your project. Once you've entered your prompt, the next step is to add this AI-generated content to your Miro canvas. Simply click on Add to Canvas. This action transfers the content or insights generated by the AI directly onto your shared workspace, where you and your team can further manipulate and build upon it. This seamless integration ensures the AI suggestions become part of your collaborative process in no time. Remember, one of the benefits of using Miro AI is the ability to make edits and adjustments to the content with the Sidekick. Should you need to refine or revise what the AI has provided, just type your modifications directly into the Sidekick. The updates will automatically reflect on your canvas, allowing for continuous improvement and iteration. And there you have it. A straightforward and comprehensive way to leverage Miro's AI capabilities to boost your productivity and creativity. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas, managing complex projects, or simply looking to optimize your workflow, Miro AI is an excellent tool to have in your digital toolkit. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and explore the full extent of what Miro AI can do for you and your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in unlocking the potential of Miro AI. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy collaborating.